And welcome back to another edition of Kendrick News, Views, and Reviews. And today I will be doing an unboxing of guess what? You have no idea what's in this box, but I'll let you guys see first before I actually tell you what it is. So let's open the box first of all. Here so you can see me. Nice little knife. Always get the job done. Yeah. By now you've seen what it is, so without further ado, I'll give it to you. LeBron Soldier 11. As you can see on the outside of the box, you have the LeBron James logo on top. On the side, you have LeBron's name. He makes dope boxes. And this is a size 10. And right here, as we can see, the price for these are retailed at $140. James on the back. Nike sign. One more thing I wanted to show you guys right here. This will be the black, metallic, gold, and white. So let's open them up. Yes. Yes. Guys, so look at that. Oh yeah, this has a suede, real nice suede touch to it. That right there. The other one out. I definitely have to do an on feet of these. Look at that. Wow, what a big King James logo on the bottom. Look at that on the bottom right there. Loving that logo. On the side, you have the Nike swoosh. On the top here, another King James logo. Let's take out this here. These are nice, really nice. You can tell, unlike the 10, this has 4 straps because this is to secure the lock in. The lockdown better when you put them on. Oh yeah, loving that. Here, these are new, as you can tell. Just getting a little cardboard out of the shoe. Inside, as you can see, right in there, you have LeBron James logo. Deep down up in there, deep down in the jungle deep. On the back, you have another LeBron James logo with the Nike Zoom. You have logos all over this shit. Look at that. Inside, you have LeBron James dunking a ball. His full logo that's, you know, everybody say is his thing compared to the Jumpman logo. But overall, I love this colorway. You can wear these with anything. Also, on the back, you have a strap which helps you adjust your shoe when you put it on. It's easier to just slip into it. Overall, man, this shoe is so dope. Nike, look at that check. check that. You gotta check yourself before you wreck yourself. The Nike sign on the bottom, super big. I have to do an on feet of these, so stay tuned for an on feet. But for now, this is an unboxing of the LeBron James Soldier 11 black, metallic black and gold. I give these a 5 out of 5. Subscribe later.